Have you ever regretted the outcome of a negotiation? What would you try to do differently next time? In your opinion, are you good at negotiation or do you have good negotiation skills? Was it something you think you're born with or can they be learned? So we're going to answer these questions and more today. We're going to find out how refining your business English can help you raise your level of communication, your negotiation skill for both technology business and probably even political circles as well. Welcome, everyone, and good day to all. This is another learning session from Business English Success Strategies. Our purpose is to use our years of experience in TEFL and ESL to help you master English communications by providing tips, strategies, and lessons to improve your spoken business English. In this session, our topic is mastering business negotiation skills for business English. This is part of our ongoing series about developing your English communication, and it's both for intermediate and advanced. All the lessons from us are most appropriate for that level, but everyone is welcome. The format of this lesson is to define a term and present it with a short real-world example of some type. And with that, enough introduction. Now, let's get started. Introduction to business negotiation. So this is important, right? Business negotiation is part of business life. If you're going to be involved in doing deals, somehow involved in the management of the company, in whatever level that might be, at some point, negotiation is part of the puzzle, right? So negotiation is important because you're looking to unlock successful outcomes for your side of the table. So understanding business negotiation empowers you to resolve differences effectively and create win-win scenarios, paving the path to successful agreements. Let's look at some key terms in business negotiation. Compromise, middle ground reached by concessions. Negotiate, formal discussions leading to agreements. Offer, counteroffer, initial and modified proposals exchanged. Bid, specific price proposed in negotiation. Agreement, mutual arrangement between parties. Proposal, detailed suggestion for consideration. So let's look at mastering negotiation terminology, the importance of it. Right? It empowers your negotiation conversations. By mastering key negotiation terms, it boosts your confidence, you're able to navigate discussions, and articulate your position effectively for successful outcomes. Let's look at the importance of negotiation skills. This is a skill. This is not something that just sort of happens, or maybe you feel that you're born with it. By mastering negotiation skills, you elevate your career, right? This is on the list that you will see from any good organization, from senior management, human resources professionals. They're looking for people that have these skills. Some call it a hard skill, some call it a soft skill, but it is still a skill. It will also enhance your job satisfaction as you become deeper and more involved in more important things in the company. And then, of course, it will drive organizational success and individual success, right? It's the path to more powerful outcomes for your side of the table. So how do you go about this whole transformation or transforming negotiation outcomes? Well, you're looking for favorable outcomes. Always keep in mind you're looking to achieve beneficial results in discussions. Trust building. You're looking to cultivate long-term relationships with clients. Confidence boost. You have to navigate negotiations with enhanced self-assurance. You can't be unsure of yourself, or at least present that, and be successful in a negotiation. Better contracts. Secure more advantageous contracts and agreements. Enhance collaboration, facilitate teamwork through effective negotiation. All of these things are true and they are skills and must-haves. So let's look at elevating your career through negotiation. You're unlocking new doors to professional growth. Mastering negotiation opens opportunities, shapes your career destiny, and achieve greater satisfaction through impactful discussions. Let's look at some of the essential vocabulary. You want to master key negotiation terms like deal and fair. This will enhance the communication you're having with the other side. It will also allow you to build trust and navigate potential pitfalls effectively. Let's look at some potential catches or hidden issues. You want to recognize hidden problems in agreements. You want to keep an eye out for these things. It's about both sides, not just about your side. The importance of transparency. Ensure all aspects of deals are clear. This is no time for fuzzy woulda, coulda, shoulda type language. We want to make sure all things are clear to both sides. You want to ask the right questions. Prepare inquiries to unveil undisclosed fees, as an example. Fostering better relationships, avoid complications, and build trust in negotiations. You notice I keep saying build trust. It's key to negotiation. The importance of acceptable and satisfactory offers. Once again, you're navigating expectations. You're at the table for mutual benefit. Understanding acceptable and satisfactory, what this means to the offers that is on the table, empowers you to craft agreements that meet needs, ensuring negotiations ascend to mutually beneficial outcomes. Let's look at some of the practical phrases. You want to understand the power of agreement phases. This, of course, will enhance clarity and is based upon clarity. Effective communication. You want to use phrases that improve the clarity in negotiations. You want to have good agreement examples. Phrases like, that sounds acceptable, convey agreement. Fostering collaboration. Agreement phrases promote a cooperative atmosphere. Successful negotiation cases. Real examples will demonstrate positive impacts on dynamics. And then, of course, everything doesn't work out, but you want to navigate rejections with grace. Communicate disagreement. Learn to tactfully express rejection in negotiations. Professional phrasing. Use phrases that maintain professionalism and respect. Set boundaries. Clearly define limits while remaining courteous. Encouraging dialogue. Foster constructive conversations instead of confrontations. Impact on outcomes. Understand how phrases influence negotiation success. Why is proper communication important? Because there are consequences for miscommunication. It could be high stakes on the table, and using the wrong words at the wrong time for the wrong reason can affect those high stakes in a negative way in your negotiation. Misused phrases can escalate tensions and derail agreements. Every word matters. Mastering expressions can transform outcomes and build bridges in negotiation. Let's look at some advanced strategies. Preparation, laying the groundwork for successful negotiations. Preparation transforms uncertainty into confidence, enabling you to navigate negotiations effectively and secure the best outcomes for all involved. Don't think you're going to go into a high stakes negotiation, and you're going to, as we say sometimes in English, wing it, which means you're going to go in unprepared and sort of figure it out as you go along. Go in prepared, go in with a plan. Setting goals and active listening. High initial goals. Set ambitious targets to create negotiation flexibility. The importance of active listening. Gain insights into the other party's position. Productive negotiation process. Combine goals and listening for better outcomes. Direct benefits. Enhance negotiation effectiveness through strategic practices. Achieving win-win solutions. The best negotiations happen when both sides feel like they've gotten the essential things that they need and they can walk forward in the partnership, right? Or walk away from the table having received everything that they need from the negotiation. So you want to unlock mutual benefits through strategic preparation. Right? And this phrase, BATNA, right? You want to look that one up. I'm going to give you a little homework here. It empowers your negotiations. Patience reveals opportunities, leading to win-win outcomes that enhance relationships and drive success. Negotiation techniques, right? You want to unlock insights through strategic inquiry. Master the art of asking targeted questions to reveal needs and motivations, transforming negotiations into collaborative discussions that lead to successful outcomes. Proposals that lead to solutions. You want to create a collaborative solution. When people feel like they're working together, even if it's the other side of the table, they feel more enthusiastic, they feel more optimistic, and you're going to get to the better solution much quicker. Effective proposals, pathway to constructive dialogue and solutions. Flexibility in terms, adjust terms to accommodate both parties' needs. Inviting collaboration, engage the other party in the solution process. Win-win scenarios, propose alternatives that benefit both sides. Long-term partnerships, build relationships through mutual interests. The power of silence. Harnessing the unspoken. Silence can speak volumes in negotiation, so embrace it. It compels the other side to share. A well-timed pause can unveil hidden insights, transforming negotiations into successful agreements. Sometimes negotiations are difficult. So how are you going to overcome negotiation hurdles? Recognizing high demands. Identify and manage unrealistic expectations confidently. Addressing low offers. Develop strategies to counter unreasonably low proposals. Managing emotional responses. Stay composed despite emotional challenges during negotiations. Preparation is key. Understand obstacles to enhance negotiation effectiveness. Seek common ground. Focus on shared interests for better outcomes. Use objective criteria. Base arguments on facts, not personal feelings. Strategies for successful negotiations. Unlocking the power of collaboration and objective standards. Focus on the shared interests and objective criteria to transform tough negotiations into opportunities for collaboration and success. Practice through role play, right? Together with your team, or if it's one-on-one, practice with yourself ahead of time. Engaging role play scenarios allows you to practice negotiation strategies in a safe environment. Real-time feedback. Receive immediate insights when you role play to enhance learning experience. Reflective discussions. Analyze performances to identify areas for improvement. Build confidence. Develop skills to manage difficult negotiation situations. Team negotiation strategy. It enhances group dynamics and it fosters collaboration through structured role play. So engage in role play to bridge gaps, build trust, and elevate negotiation skills. This will be a transforming experience because you're transforming individual strengths into collective success. Practical negotiation training, hands-on learning. That's once again the role play scenarios. Dual perspective. Alternating roles fosters understanding of strategies and what the other side may be experiencing. Real-world application transforms theory into effective negotiation practices. Team adaptability improves overall effectiveness in negotiation situations. And then lastly, constructive feedback encourages continuous improvement in negotiation techniques. Continuous improvement through feedback. Harnessing feedback for negotiation mastery. Embrace feedback as a stimulant for growth. Reflect, adapt, and refine your skills to conquer negotiation challenges with newfound confidence. So, conclusion. Key takeaways from our session. Essential negotiation insights. The significance of negotiation in and of itself. Negotiation skills are crucial for career success. Essential vocabulary. We went through some key terms to enhance communication effectiveness. Effective strategies. We spoke to some strategies to improve outcomes in negotiations. Continuous practice. We emphasize regular practice, boost confidence and skill. And then progress and journey. Keep advancing your negotiation abilities. Elevate your skills with consistent effort. Regular practice transforms negotiation skills, turning challenges into victories. There's no two ways about it. Right? Embrace every opportunity to role play, workshop, or learn, and watch your confidence soar as well as your results. Then, of course, inspiration for future success. Empower your future negotiations. Embrace growth. Apply newfound skills confidently. Every challenge is a step toward mastery. Your journey in negotiation starts now. Climb higher, achieve greater. That's all for today's session. So, once again, if you found this content useful, then please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time as we continue our linguistic adventure. Take care, everyone.